How to use Grabpay for online purchases. Ready to shop online using your Grabpay balance? Here's how to pay seamlessly with Grabpay outside the app. First, make sure your Grabpay wallet is set up and topped up. Now head to your favorite online store that supports Grabpay at checkout. When you reach the payment page, choose Grabpay from the listed methods. You will be redirected to a secure Grab login window. Once approved, the payment goes through instantly and you are brought back to the website. Use GrabPay to earn Grab rewards points even when shopping online. Ever use GrabPay for e-commerce? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.